Welcome to A through Z Reviews, where I bring you my honest and unbiased reviews on different products and services. My reviews are strictly my own. They are not influenced at all by the company or any other person, strictly my own reviews. And today we have a product that I'm really glad the company had worked with me on. Now, I did go ahead, open up this product, and went ahead and kind of got it set up and everything for you. That way I wouldn't have to do it on the live video. I can assure you though, it was packaged extremely well. So no worries about damage at all during the shipping phase of the process of getting the product from the company. So this here is actually the Ampeak. See if I can hold it up here. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Ampeak, or maybe it's Ampeak. But it is the 200 watts power inverter. Now, I am really glad that the company did work with me on this one. I have bought their products before. I have another product from them that works really well, and that product was a, what was it here, it's 400 watts power converter, so it's smaller. So to have this one here is really nice. Now you have 3 plugins here, your on and off switch here, and then your like lighter port here, so you could plug something else in that would plug into that kind of port in your vehicle. Really nice. It is, whoops, hit the power button. Really nice. It does show you all the information on the screen, like your watts, your battery, and just a lot of good details on the screen here. Going to turn it back off for a second. You have some information on the bottom here. Now you do have these side rails. They are metal and stuff. This whole bottom is metal, and it will allow you to hang it up on the wall or something like that. Now, the orange is plastic, okay? It comes with your wires, okay? And it's just really good and everything. There is another, so there is also a switch that you can plug into this right here. You got USB ports here too, but there's a switch that you can plug in here. So when this switch is on, okay, and let's say this isn't really within reach, you can use that switch and it will actually allow you to turn on and off the inverter by that switch, so you don't have to walk completely to the inverter all the time, which is really nice. Now you can buy it as a set, or you can do or you can get the power inverter first and then buy the switch, or however you choose to do it. I will show that switch in a little bit, but I gotta get it out of the box. But right now I just wanted to show you this. Also, it did come with the user manual here, and it shows you, you know, your information about it, the information on the screen. So on the screen, it will show you the input voltage, output watts, output voltage, output current, internal temperature, battery status, and output frequency. All that will show on the screen. And then it shows you how to connect the wires and stuff like that. Let's see here. It shows you the specifications and troubleshooting information here. And then questions and answers. You got your safety protections. Talks about all them, which battery voltage, safety stuff. I'll try to show you here on the screen so you can see all the information here. And then you got your warranty information, important safety information, and your help center. So, being simple but yet detailed manual, I really do like and stuff, and everything about it. So no complaints there. Now I do have one complaint. Now this complaint ain't really a major issue to some, okay? But to some they may not like that. What I'm about ready to reveal. So the screen. I really do like, I'm going to turn it on. So I really do like the screen and everything. The problem I have is that this whole plastic piece here is exactly that. It's light plastic. So on the screen, I don't know if you can hear that or not. But what it is it's just a really thin, the LCD screen is actually sunk back away from the upper plastic, okay? But the upper plastic is just simple, kind of like a hard plastic, but not too hard. So if you're not careful, you can damage that and ultimately damage the LCD screen. What I would really rather to see is for this whole thing, especially for the screen, to be more of a hard, durable plastic. Okay, hard and thick, not something that is just semi-thick and then just laid over a hole basically, and then your screen is down below that a little. I want something stronger, that way if I happen to drop something on it, hopefully not, whatever the use case is, you may be able to see that. Let's see how when I push on it, I'm not actually pushing the screen, I'm actually just, that's just the plastic. And it's just not really up to my standards. So for that, I will rate this a 4.5 stars. Because it does work excellent and stuff. I have tried it out and stuff. I got it hooked up to a battery here on my desk and everything. So that's how I can get it to work and stuff. Very nice. It definitely has some weight to it and everything. If you're looking for a power inverter, you cannot go wrong with this one or any of them from the company. So I will have this, all the product information of this one, in the video description along with the links. And then I will also have the storefront for the company in the links of the video description as well. So give me a moment. I'm going to go and grab the switch, and then we will turn around and check that out. Okay, before I get into the switch, I don't recall saying that they did send a tool for you to be able to easily connect your wires to the machine, to the inverter, because when you first get it, they are not connected. So the fact that they sent you the right size tool that you need, which is really nice. Now this does say that it is drop forged steel. So you have another tool for your collection, but it's nice that they send it as well. Now on to the switch. So here's what the switch looks like here. Just your simple on and off push button. It's about the size of a light plate. And then you got your cable. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And then I'm going to turn on the power inverter. Now that it's on, here's what it looks like on the switch. If I turn it off, it goes off. If I turn it on, then it lights back up. Let me try to actually show you this a little bit better. Let me see here if I can do this. So you can see the screen is on. And then if I press the button, the screen goes off. Press it again, it comes on. Now this here, if your switch up here is turned off, this here will not work. So you cannot turn it on or off if this power switch is off. So bear in mind with that the unit's power switch has to actually be turned on. Turn it back on. Now, I have seen reviews where people have complained that this plate was too big, and I totally understand that. You know, that some people may wish it was smaller. I personally like it this size because it's like the size of your standard light switch hole. So that to me is not too bad. But it would be nice if they would probably make different plates. That way you can interchange the size of the plate. So make it to where this can detach from one plate and snap onto another plate. It would be nice, that way you can have one a little bit smaller and then one this size. Another complaint that I've seen on online is that this cord here, okay, if I can get it here so you can see it, this cord here is made straight in, so you cannot interchange that. Now if I take the part out that plugs into the unit here, this here is just like your standard telephone line. So the complaint that I seen was that you cannot interchange this if this cable goes bad, or you know, if you need a longer one, you're just kind of stuck. And I can see that too. And everything. It would be nice to have it so you can plug it and unplug it. But having it built in like this is not a deal breaker. If you know what you're doing, you can take these screws out, replace this cord. Now I've not opened this up. I don't have no need to, because this is going to work excellent. I'm just saying that if you know what you're doing, and only if you know what you're doing. I am not responsible, and the company is not responsible whatsoever if you start taking this stuff apart. Plus, you can void your warranty for that. But if you needed something longer and stuff, and you knew what you was doing, that is a possibility. But having this is nice. Now, with this plugged in, for my understanding, if you're using this and you got the unit off but the power switch on, if the unit for some reason gets too hot, I do think the fans will turn on and try to cool the unit down, which is good. So this here, as a product of itself, I will rate a 4.5 stars. The reason of 4.5 is I do wish that you could easily change the cable out and that the plate could be interchangeable with a smaller plate. Overall though, nice. It is not plastic. It is metal. This here is plastic, but this plate is metal. This here on the front, it's kind of like a sticker that was placed over it. And then of course your power button and your little LED light. So 4.5 stars for this because of them issues. And then a 4.5 star on the inverter itself because of the issue with the screen. Now, it's not a deal breaker on the screen. It's just me personally, when investing money into a product that's, you know, I want to be well made and last and stuff, I like to see better quality, especially on the LCD screens, to help protect them a little bit more. In this, it provides protection, just not to my satisfaction. So overall, I thank the company for sending these to me and everything to bring you my review. I do encourage you, if you are looking for a power inverter, to check this company out. They do have smaller power inverters, and they even have one bigger than this. They got other products as well, like a battery charger. So, all in all, I like their products. I have no major complaint with them or anything. I've had good experience between this one and the one that I actually had for several years, which is a 400 watt power inverter. So if you found this video helpful at all, please do hit the thumbs up. Please, if you use this company for any of their products, please put your personal review experience in the comments below. If you have any questions, please write question and the word question followed by your question. Sorry about that. It's my doorbell going off. Let me know about more packages being delivered for more review stuff. But anyways, please, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, comment your experience with them, or if you have questions, write the word question followed by your question. And, you know, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified when we release different product reviews and brand awareness on different products. And I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And until next time, may you have a blessed and wonderful day.